guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you that are new and viewing. Today I'll be installing a wig. Here on my channel I do a lot of hair videos, I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So if you guys are interested in seeing any of those videos, or just if you like what you see today, make sure you subscribe. So today's video is focused on a unit from Unice hair. They sent over this lace frontal wig that is super fun because it has some red colors going throughout the entire wig, but that baseline is like a 1B/2 color. It's very natural black brown hair, but the red highlights are giving. So I have bleached the knots off camera, and then I have just let the hair air dry a little bit with a little bit of blow drying towards the end once it got almost completely dry. So here I am installing this unit. I added a little bit of lace tint spray to that lace, and I am going to be installing it with the Ebon spray. I'm using the red can, which I believe is the active one. So it holds really good. If you guys have not tried that product, make sure you check it out. I do have a link to that in my description bar below. But once I spray all of that on my forehead, I'm going to move that lace up onto top of the product that I've sprayed there. I'm pressing it down with my rat tail comb, and I will eventually be tying this down with my elastic band after I hold it in place for a few minutes, because I do need it to just stay tacked down on those ear tabs. If you guys install wigs, you know what I mean. For some reason, them ear tabs be challenging us. They really be challenging us, so I be needing to like put a little extra love and care into the side to make sure that, you know, it stays in place like I need it to. So once I have gotten that elastic band on, then I'm going to work on the hair. So this hair actually came with like some really beautiful loose curls. Like, they were really gorgeous. However, since I needed to bleach the knots, and I do like washing my hair when I receive it, you know, those curls are gone, especially since I let it air dry. So now we're having to go back into it and restyle it. But I went ahead and straightened mine a little bit, but I still put curl in it. I just focused the curl more on the ends of the hair. So I'm doing that today with my flat iron versus using a curling one or curling iron. For some reason, I just want to go the difficult way, but you know, the curl still came out really pretty. So we're just going to take little piece by little piece and get those curls added to this hair. So once I've made my way up to the top, now I want to go ahead and style the wig before I curl the rest of the hair. And I was just feeling like a basic middle part for today's wig. I felt like that was just going to be a vibe, with especially how the color placement of the red is. They have some really chunky red highlights that are right in the front of the wig to frame your face. But if you guys are more of a side part gal, you can definitely do that with this wig. We love versatility options. And I always use my like wax stick because it really helps with getting that wig really flat when you go in with one of your heating style tools. I like to use a hot comb, but you can use a like curling wand if you don't have a hot comb at home with you right now. and y'all gonna see it is gonna get those roots nice and flat. You're gonna be like, wig where? Because it ain't giving helmet today, honey. And so once I get those roots nice and flat, we're gonna take that elastic band off, and I'm gonna work on cutting that lace off. But can y'all see how when I took that elastic band off, you could barely see my lace? Tell me you could, because you're gonna be lying if you say that. You know you could barely see that lace, because honey, I almost couldn't see it. That lace melted into my skin like no other. So then I just have a few pieces here and there where I wanted to make sure it was really, really blended. So I go back in with that spray and that elastic band, and it's gonna melt all of that away. And then I'm just gonna go back in and make sure I add those final touches of curls to the entire wig. And it is giving, okay? It is giving. Tell me what y'all think about this unit in the comment section. I would love to hear what you guys think. I'm feeling it. I love it. You know, I don't try too much color often, but when I do, it usually falls in that red family. So I'm digging this color. Okay, it just was giving very sleek, but with the pop of extra that we need. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Unice for sending over today's unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.